Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we would be covering the concept of custom settings. So today we would be understanding the ifs and buts of your custom settings, when to use it, when not to use it, and why to use it. So beginning from a new perspective and looking things differently, we would start this video. So basically, what is a custom setting? So we could say that it is a way through which we can get faster and easier access to data. So how? What is fast and what is easy? Nothing is easy. So yeah, that's all joke. So basically, it stores your data in your application cache. So that's why it is easy because you don't have to query this. You can directly get it from your cache. Okay, so basically there are two types of custom settings provided to us. First is the list custom setting and another one is the hierarchy custom setting. So in a list custom setting, it provides a reusable set of static data. Remember, the thing is the static data that can be accessed across your entire organization. If you use a particular set of data within your application, like for example, say we are using particular set of country codes, phone codes every time in our application, so we could just make a list custom setting over it so that our processes could be streamlined. Data in list settings do not vary with profile user. Okay, it is available to your entire organization. Everyone could see that. Moving over to your hierarchy custom setting, it is a setting that is used built in hierarchical logic. So what it does is it personalizes your settings for particular profiles or users. Okay, that means some data is visible only to some particular profiles as listed by us. And over that data, we could perform various use cases that can be generated over that. So we could achieve that from your hierarchy custom settings, like giving discounts to prime members only. So things like that, just a random example I took. So this way we could use hierarchy custom setting. So what are the advantages of your custom settings? So there are basically two types of requirements or your advantages, we could say. Is the first one is that no SQL is required. So how we could get data? So there are pre-built methods like get value. So all these methods relate to your custom settings. Faster data as stored in your cache. So this could be a boon as well as a bane. Why? Because we could not store much sensitive data in our application cache. So we need to take care of those things as well in our mind. So we have talked about this advantages. Now we would be talking about some disadvantages. So the first disadvantage that you could see here is that they cannot be deployed. Yes, guys, you heard right. Your custom settings cannot be deployed. And the second difference here is that only 300 custom setting fields are allowed. In one custom setting, there we can only have 300 custom setting fields. Okay. Third one is that sharing is not possible. You cannot share the records from one person to another or via other means. So this is a big disadvantage. Fourth is that since these custom settings are a type of custom objects, so they count across your total number of custom objects in an org. And the max limit for that is 3000 custom objects. So if you think that, these custom settings are very good, but these count over your objects as well. So if you are on a large organization, so you have to take care of the ifs and buts of these custom settings. So this was the disadvantage of your custom settings. So from this, guys, we could also make understand about the multi-tenant architecture of Salesforce, that no one gets more, no one gets less, everyone gets the equal amount of share. So this is a very good example that we cannot have n number of custom settings. These are also limited. So I hope you got to make something out of this video and you got understood that how things work. And this was just an overview that how things work and how you should think whenever you are working over these things, that whenever you have a choice that either to put it in a custom setting or not. Other thing is that if we talk about the types of custom settings, that is the list custom setting and hierarchy custom setting. So basically, if I talk about the list custom setting, since this data is populated across the entire organization and is same for every user, instead of creating a custom setting, I recommend you all to work with your custom metadata. What is custom metadata? We would be working in another video. Uh, but for now, this is just a hint for you all guys, that instead of list custom setting, go with your custom metadata, because this can be deployed. And another thing is that if you say that they cannot be deployed, so that's true. And here the custom metadata has an advantage that this can be deployed. So that is the different thing. So we would be meeting in the next video. I hope you understood this video and got to know something that you didn't know prior. So with this, we would be meeting in the next video. And if you have any doubts, comments, do comment down below, guys. I would be happy to solve all of your doubts. Thanks for watching.